In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix the issue of not being able to add a card in Apple Wallet. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more useful tips. It can be very frustrating when you try and add a card to your Apple Wallet for Apple Pay and nothing happens. For example, say you click on the plus icon in the top right and it simply says add cards to wallet without any actual options. Let's fix that and all of the issues that you could be having with this app. Begin by opening up settings and scroll down until you find general. Tap on that right there, and from there go ahead and find language and region. Now Apple Pay isn't available in every single country or region yet, so it's important to make sure that your region is set correctly. Go ahead and tap on region up at the top and find your correct region and click on it to change and apply it. Once you do that, return back to that wallet app and try hitting that plus icon in the top again. And now you should see this option right here that actually allows you to add your card. That being said, if you're still unable to add your card later in the process, there could be an issue with your card issuer. Reach out to them, reach out to your bank, and they might need to approve the card for Apple Pay. If you haven't updated your card in a minute, there's a chance that your card is just a little outdated. But that's it. If this solved your issue, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications, and drop a comment if you have any questions and we can help you out further. Have a good day.